Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking in the essentials now. Confirm the sale dates and the exact Pixel 9 SKU you want, because models and bundles sell out fast. Next, make sure your Google account, payment card, and shipping address are saved. This cuts checkout time. Once done, enable two-factor authentication for security and set calendar and app alerts so you receive live notifications. These first steps shave minutes and prevent errors during the rush. Get them completed before the sale goes live. Once the sale opens, act on a tight plan. Have the Pixel 9 pre-added to cart or wishlist in multiple stores if allowed, so you can jump straight to checkout. Use browser autofill, saved payment methods, and any one-click checkout options to reduce typing. This matters because seconds decide availability. Also, scan seller listings for authorized resellers and bundle deals. Choose the best shipping ETA. If a checkout stalls, switch to another saved seller immediately. Maintain momentum and avoid indecision. You finish by carefully reviewing the order summary, applying any promo codes, and confirming the shipping method before you hit pay. Small errors can void discounts. After purchase, save the receipt and order number, and turn on shipment tracking so you know when it ships. If payment fails or stock changes, retry using a different device or network, clear the cart and reattempt, or contact customer support with screenshots. This troubleshooting step gets you back in the queue faster and preserves your chance to secure the Pixel 9.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.